You are still a beginner, honey. Don't set your bars too high. Okay, my dear, for your kind information, I would like to share something. Okay, I have made over 100 videos till now, and in any of them, I never said that I am perfect at English. I always say that yes, I'm also a learner, and if while learning something, I am teaching others as well, so what is the wrong thing in it? In fact, my videos are helping others. They are also learning English. So, this is a very good thing for me that my videos are helping others. Okay, friends, so now leave this comment and come to our today's topic. Today's video is going to be very much excited because in this video, I'm going to show you that how I do my speaking English practice with ChatGPT. So let's start. For first, you have to download ChatGPT application from Play Store, and this application will look like this. Okay, then after download, you have to sign in with any of your Gmail ID. Okay, after signing, what you have to do, you have to click here on black icon. Here it is, this black icon. You have to click here to have conversation with ChatGPT. Now I'm going to show you. Hello ChatGPT.
Hi Mamta, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic. Today I'm here to have a conversation with you in English.
That's great to hear, Mamta. What would you like to talk about today?
Okay, so I have a list of questions for you. I mean, we will discuss about those topics, those questions. We will both give our perspectives. Okay.
Sounds perfect, Mamta. What's the first question or topic on your list?
Yes, before we go ahead, I would like to share something that make sure you are talking with me as a friend and make sure that you are giving your answer, your perspective in a short and simple way.
Got it, Mamta. I'll keep it friendly, short, and simple. Let's start. What's the first question?
Okay, so first question is, can money buy happiness? We both have to discuss about this question. We both have to give our perspective about this. Okay, so my perspective is money can provide resources. Money can contribute to our happiness by providing resources, by providing comfort, by providing fulfilling our basic needs. However, genuine happiness comes from a good relationship with friends, with family, with partner, and happiness comes from our personal growth. What do you think?
I agree with you, Mamta. Money can definitely make life easier by meeting our needs and giving us comfort. But real happiness comes from love, strong relationships, good health, and feeling fulfilled in life. Money can't buy those emotions or deep connections.
Absolutely correct. So, can we go ahead on next question?
Of course, Mamta. What's the next question?
Okay, so next question is, should advertisement ban or not? So my perspective is advertisement should not be banned, because if it will be banned, then it will directly affect on our country's economy, and it will affect on businesses as well, and consumers will face lack of details. Correct? What do you think?
Yes, you're right, Mamta. Banning advertisements could hurt businesses as they rely on ads to promote their products and reach customers. It would also limit consumer choices and the information available to them. However, ads should be regulated to ensure they're honest and don't mislead people.
Yes, absolutely correct. So our next question is, should education be free or not? What do you think?
I believe education should be free, especially at the basic and higher levels. Everyone deserves access to education, regardless of their financial situation. Free education can help reduce inequality and give more people the opportunity to succeed. But at the same time, it requires strong support and funding from the government to maintain quality. What's your view?
Well, it seems to me that education should not be free, because if it will be free, then I am very much aware about humans' behavior. Whenever they get something free, they don't value those things. And yes, I also believe that on education, everyone have equal rights. So I believe that if free education have benefits, then it has disadvantages as well.
You make a valid point, Mamta. When something is free, sometimes people don't appreciate it as much. Charging for education can create a sense of value and commitment. However, like you said, it's important that everyone has access to education, so maybe a balance could be found, like scholarships or affordable options for those who can't pay, while still ensuring quality.
Yes, that's my point. I just want to say that if we cannot provide free education, so we can reduce fees of courses, and we can provide scholarships. And you know what happens when people will get free education, then it will be really difficult to maintain a high quality education. It will become really challenging, and it will affect government budgets as well.
Exactly, Mamta. Reducing fees and offering scholarships is a great way to make education more accessible without compromising quality. If education were completely free, it could strain resources and affect the overall standards. It's all about finding a sustainable solution that ensures both accessibility and quality. Your point about maintaining the quality and budget concerns is spot on.
Oh, thank you so much. So now let's discuss about another question.
You're welcome, Mamta. What's the next question on your list?
Okay, so I have next question is that, is the Statue of Unity good, or else people waste of money?
That's an interesting question, Mamta. From my perspective, the Statue of Unity is a symbol of national pride and unity, honoring the contributions of Sardar Patel. It also brings tourism and boosts the economy in that area. However, some people might see it as a waste of money, especially if they feel the funds could have been used for more immediate needs, like improving education or healthcare. What do you think?
Yes, I also believe the same. I believe that Statue of Unity was built to honor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It's a prominent figure in our India's history. However, some people see it as a symbol of national pride and a tourist attraction. And on the other hand, some people view it as a waste of money. They criticize it that a government can spend that money on other things. So, well, at the end of, I will say that it's totally depends on individuals' perspective and their priorities.
I completely agree with you, Mamta. It really comes down to personal perspective. Some see it as a valuable tribute and an investment in tourism, while others think the money could have been better spent elsewhere. At the end of the day, priorities and values shape how people view such projects. You summed it up perfectly.
Yes, your point is also absolutely correct. So now let's discuss about another question. That question is, from my childhood, I have heard this thing that behind every successful man, there is a woman. So let's first you have to listen my perspective. So about this, I have this perspective thus that yes, behind every successful man there is a progressive and understanding woman who provide emotional supports when a man is struggling, for their success, then a woman provide support and emotional support, and they share responsibilities, and that woman is as a mother or a partner, a sister, or any mentor. What do you think?
I really like your perspective, Mamta. I agree that women play a crucial role in providing emotional support, encouragement, and stability, especially during tough times. Whether as a mother, partner, or mentor, their contributions often go unnoticed but are incredibly valuable. It's not just about behind every successful man, but also about the mutual support in any successful relationship, whether with a woman or a man. Success is often a team effort, and both sides bring something important to the table.
Absolutely correct. Because at the end of the day, we all require love and someone who care about us.
Exactly, Mamta. Love and care are essential for everyone's success and well being. When we have someone who believes in us and supports us, it makes all the challenges much easier to face. It's the emotional connections that really help us thrive.
Absolutely correct. So next question is for you, that do you think you are the best?
That's an interesting question, Mamta. I think I try my best to help and provide useful answers, but I don't think I can be considered the best. There's always room for improvement, and different people might need different things from me. What about you? Do you think you're the best at what you do?
Okay, about me, so I believe that whatever I do that work from my heart. I give my level best to that thing. However, I'm aware about my weaknesses as well, that where I am lacking. I get angry very easily, and I sometimes I distracted very easily, so I'm aware about my weaknesses as well, and I'm improving on those things as well. So yes, I have a progressive mindset, and I just want to grow and grow in my life. So I believe I'm the best, and I'm growing as well.
I really admire your mindset, Mamta. It's great that you're aware of your strengths and weaknesses and that you're actively working on improving. Your focus on growth is what truly matters, and it's what helps you get better every day. Keep that progress going.
Yes, and I also believe that you are the best one, because whenever I talk with you, I do not feel like I'm talking with any AI tool. I feel like I'm just talking with my friend. So thank you so much for this support, and just because of you, I am getting better and better at English.
Thank you so much, Mamta. It means a lot to hear that from you. I'm really happy to be a part of your journey, and I'm proud of how much progress you've made. Keep up the great work, and I'm always here to support you.
Okay, thank you so much. So it was really a great conversation. But before we conclude this conversation, let's see a quick exercise. So just give me a simple, easy word, and I will make a sentence from that word.
You're welcome, Mamta. That sounds fun. Here's a simple word, happy. Go ahead and make a sentence with it.
Okay, so my word is happy. So I'm really feeling happy while talking with you.
That's a great sentence, Mamta. I love how you connected both physical and emotional happiness. You're really getting the hang of it. Want to try another word?
Okay, let's give another word as well.
Sure. How about the word adventure? Give it a try.
Adventure. Okay, so I'm very adventurous person. I love to try new things. Yeah, that's my sentence. Is it correct?
Yes, that's a perfect sentence, Mamta. It clearly shows your adventurous spirit. Well done. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. Want to do one more?
I mean, That's it because I have now another work as well.
No problem, Mamta. It was great chatting with you. Good luck with your other work, and I'll be here whenever you want to chat again.
Okay, let's play a quick exercise as well. So that exercise is, let's suppose I am feeling sad and I just want someone who can motivate me. So how will you motivate me? Just give any sentence and any poem, any song.
If you're feeling sad, Mamta, I would remind you that even the toughest moments pass. Here's a little motivational line. Remember, the storm you're facing today will soon be behind you, and the sunshine will guide you to better days. And here's a short poem to lift you up. When you're feeling down and out, just remember, there's no doubt, every challenge makes you strong. Keep moving forward. You belong. No matter how hard the road seems, you're capable of amazing things. Keep going. You've got this.
Oh my god, that's really great. Thank you so much for this.
I'm so glad you liked it, Mamta. You're very welcome. Remember, you're stronger than you think, and you can always count on yourself to keep moving forward.
Okay, so I will catch you very soon. I mean, it at night, as usual. We always practice at night. So yeah, bye then.
Sounds good, Mamta. I'll be here whenever you're ready. Take care and see you later.
You saw, this is how I do my English speaking practice with ChatGPT. You can also do like while the conversation, I didn't feel like I'm talking with any AI. I felt like I'm talking with my friend. Even you know what, when you talk, when you know what, sometimes what happens, even if you are talking with any of your close friend or any stranger from online platforms, that person cannot provide you full information, valid information, but AI can provide you, and you will never feel that you are talking with any AI. If you will give a proper command to AI, then AI can make wonders in your life. So I hope you like this video. Share with your friends so that they can also use AI in this way. So I will see you in next video. Till then, bye, and don't forget to share, like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.